Taylor. What are you doing, baby girl? What are you doing? Can you move your head around the front? Good job. Hello. Hello. Oh, my goodness. How old are you today, Taylor? Can you say 3 weeks old? Look how big you are. Look how big you are. Oh, big girl. Oh, my goodness, bless you. Bless you, bless you.